Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new video. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have a UI concept here. Now, I'm not entirely sure who made this, so I don't know who to credit. But yeah, from what we can observe here from the outset, I like this because it's very cartoony, and the black navigation, the black text on the white, I think looks super cool. And also with like splashes of color you can see right here, and the selection thing itself. We can also add this cool profile section as well. So alright, so enough talking. We're gonna start with a new layer, and with our pencil we're gonna go for this shape right here. As you can see, we're gonna go right across, and here is our first shape. I'm going to move our thing here and also change our background color. So we go for a nice dark gray, a little lighter like this. Okay, and next on a new layer we're gonna go for this shape. We're gonna go right here to include this little shadow, because we're gonna add that separately. So I'm gonna go right here, and we're just gonna make sure everything here lines up. Ignore this little cut off thingy. Anyways, so right here I'm gonna go for this nice blue color, and then we're gonna create our shadow shape like so. Bring this across, and we're gonna go right click and create mask. We're gonna go for this color, and here is our basic shape. Now we're going to add this nice little design here, which is quite simple. We're gonna go down, up, and down, and now we're gonna go right click and clip as well. This will go, well, change the color first, and we're just going to align this right here like so. That right there is our basic shape, basic background design. Now I'm going to use our rectangle tool because I want to canvas this section or area. So basically within this container is where our navigation is going to go. That is the basic idea here, right? I'm going to lower the opacity. I'm gonna go for, I don't know, like 35 something, so it is still visible. I think I'm gonna start off with all of the inactive text objects first before we actually create this highlight effect. I have spent hundreds of hours making these videos and also designing products for you guys. If you are a creator who is serious about their dreams and goals in creating game projects, or if you are a creative and a designer as well who is looking to make a career out of designing, then you will appreciate these design resources I have created. If you're building an anime inspired game, well, we have interface kits just for that. If you want a free sample, you can get the preview bundle completely for free. So if you are serious, then check it out with the link below or gfxcomment.com. If you are not serious, these are not for you, and you can ignore this message. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna go for a rectangle once again, and I'm just going to block these out because I want this once again to be proportional. So I'm gonna go for a simple block like this, right? I'm gonna go for a green color or any color of your choice, and then I'm going to add a guideline like so, and then I'm also going to add a guideline for our text like so. And now we're going to well, let me fix this very slightly, like so. Okay, we are now going to type our basic text. I think Studio uses like Arial, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna change the font to this font called Oswald. Apparently it's no italic version. Alright, let's just stick with this. Okay, I think in Studio we can italicize it, but we're going to start with customize. We're going to make a group. This will be a single tab. Let's copy, bring this up. This will be practice, like so, and then challenges, keep it simple. Okay, arcade, oops, all caps, arcade, and 18 pixels for the distance. Okay, 18. We're gonna go for multiplayer. Oops. Alright, now we have all of our options, and I'm going to bring this across. Okay, just right there. Okay, perfect. Now we can take off our canvas frame. Also all these. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, as you can see, we have our basic navigation thing here. Okay, next we're going to make our highlights. Very simple. We're just gonna go across. Let's make sure it is straight here. Okay, go across and basically bring this over here, and we're going to apply the gradient effect. The angle will be 0, and the color, when you go for a pink into orange. Okay, sweet. And we can simply copy text objects, increase the font size to like 14. It's like multiplayer, and make this 5. Make sure these are aligned first of all. So this thing is gonna go back a little bit. Alright, as you can see, we have a nice little menu going on right here. Are these completely black? They are, okay. And let's just make this a very simple tag for new. We're also gonna have this because why not, right? So new. Go up and across. Okay, very simple. Make the color blue. Copy, nudge, and we're gonna go black. Okay, let's call this our tag. So go right here. Oops, my fault. Okay, and basically copy our text. There we go. Bring it in here, and let's type out new center 6. Too large. 4. Okay, awesome. I'm just gonna also write this text below here. Play online with friends. Play online with friends and rivals across the world. This is good enough, I think. Okay, this right here should be fine. We obviously have this. We also have this frame for the keybinds. We can add that later, but besides that, I think our navigation is pretty good. All right, now we're gonna take a look at how we can import other stuff into Roblox Studio. And first things first, we're gonna make everything here white. I'm going to group all of this stuff up, so we have a backup copy. I'm gonna duplicate, and we're gonna start converting all these to white. So here is, I'm gonna call this our header. Okay, and I'm gonna export our header. This thing right here. If I hide these, I guess this thing, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna call this our menu underscore header. I'm gonna hit save, and then for this accent, I'm gonna go white, And then I'm gonna go control click on the header. Okay. And then, well, let's bring this out first from the mask like this. And then we're gonna go control click on the header, right click inverse, and rasterize our shape here and backspace. Now we have a cutout just like this. All right, we're gonna go export. This is gonna be menu, header, accent. Okay, so we have that. And now for the main shape, same thing. I'm gonna export, and then here we're just gonna go white, rasterize, control click, inverse, backspace, and we have this right here. Let's go export. Okay, so we have all these, and lastly, I think we just have, okay, we have the highlight shape, and also our tag right here. Our tag is just one shape here, so. And also here, take off the gradient, color white. This is how it looks. And yeah, if you guys are ready, we're gonna hop right into Studio. Alright, so all of my assets are now currently importing. Let's begin by adding a screen GUI. Because our menu, I'm gonna add a frame. This will become our canvas. Let's go for fit parent, anchor. Size, scale. I'm gonna go for a nice background color. You could make it blue, I guess, and make it more interesting, right? And yeah, I think we are good to go, basically. Let's add a frame and begin our menu, shall we? So menu, firstly I'm gonna go anchor, so I can see it. And I think the size here is gonna be, you go for the size of the actually no, I'm not sure. Let's just go for I guess we go for the main size, which is 540 by 1080. So okay, essentially 540 for X across, and 1 for the Y value. Let's go for background off. I'm gonna go for scale. Okay, I'm trying to think. Okay, let's add image. This will become main. We're gonna go for fit anchor. Let's grab menu main, and then we're gonna go paste background off. Scale. Okay, so we have this, which is cool. Let's add image. We're gonna add our accent in here, so main accent. Let's go paste anchor, and the size is 123 by 764. 123, 764. Off. Let's go for scale, and the color is the global cyan color here. Okay, color and adjust right here. Okay, that is perfect. Okay, so next, inside of menu, we're gonna add image. This is gonna be our header, so let's call this header, and then let's go paste the size 579 by 212, and the color is the same. Background off, scale, and then let's go anchor. So up here, and then we're gonna add accent. Same thing, header accent. Okay, let's go paste. Grab the size 572 by 74. Anchor background off. Let's go scale. Grab the same color and drop the shade value. Is that right? No. This is right. Okay. Cool. And now, so for menu, we're gonna go position, no, anchor X0, position X0 as well. So we have this. Okay, let's begin now on creating the actual navigation. So, what if for size? If we make this our navigation, okay, let's go for red size constraint relative XX, like so. And we're also going to go auto size Y. Go scale, fix the X value. Oops. Where's that? Okay. Should be 60, so. Please, 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 please. Okay, there we go. Okay, navigation. Let's add a list layout inside, and then we're gonna add a frame, extra frame. Okay, this frame is gonna be 355 by 60. So same thing, basically fit parent. And then let's go red, or actually green, or blue. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna go with scale, and we gotta fix the size again. 355 by 60. Okay, this too. Okay, give me a second. I gotta fix the sizes here. Blue. Okay, 0.171 for frame. Okay. That's cool. Navigation is the same size. Okay. This will be a tab. Let's make this a button. Convert. And in here, I'm gonna add a text label. We're gonna go fit, I think. Background off. And then let's go text scale right here. Okay, let's go for text align left and font Oswald right here and bold italicized. Font white semi. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, kinda. Okay, so we're gonna go for first multiplayer. Alright, that actually looks pretty good. And inside of tab, let's add a padding. Left side padding, we're gonna go for like 0.05, I would say. So if we go background off here, for tab, that is. Okay. We have a navigation frame. Okay, so if we copy our tab, this will expand. Let's go for 5. Here we have arcade, challenges, practice, and customize. Now, let's make sure all this stuff is working nicely. Okay, so inside of the first tab, let's see if this works, okay? I'm gonna go for image, label, and this will be our selection. Paste the ID. This is gonna be size 517 by 101. 101. Wait, that is massive. Is this supposed to be? I have no clue. Now I'm gonna try to add our gradient. Just to give this some color distinction, so it's not purely white. So okay, first color. We're gonna try and figure this out. Yeah, this is part of the process. Okay, here's my gradient, and then I'm gonna lower the navigation background 0.8. Okay, cool. So here, I'm gonna copy our text, multiplayer, okay, also the padding side of selection. This is gonna be white. Where is it at? Please. Okay, whites, and then fit. I'm going to decrease the Y size value here. So we have this, okay, and then for example, I go for a UI list layouts and vertical line center. So we got a nice layout going. And okay, so my question is, I'm gonna copy, right? What if inside of tab, okay, we have a frame. This is our inactive, okay, we go fit parent. And then we go background off. The scale. And we plug our text in here, okay. And now what if we had a new frame, and we call this our selection or active, okay. And this is gonna be 517 by 98, okay. Copy our selection, paste it in here, we go background off, we go fit parent here, anchor back, we go visible. So if we have this, hold on guys, I'm thinking, I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure this out, this is actually far too large. Remove these for now, so we only have one. UI padding is gonna go in the, it's gonna go in the inactive right here, okay. Also we're gonna add a list layout, vertical center. Yeah, that's fine. Yes. Okay, so we have inactive, we have navigation, and okay, wait, guys, wait. We do anchor for our tab, 0.5. We're gonna go auto size Y. Hold on, let's go. Okay, XX 355 by 60, right? Auto size Y 355 by 60. We're going to reduce the size here until we get 60. Okay, so we have 0.656, 0.655, 0.673. Okay guys, so after some trial and error and a long tedious process, I think I have something decent. I'm sorry, I am trying to figure this out too. Okay, I think we have something here, because if we enable active, it enlarges the entire tab, which is what we actually need. So yeah, I don't know how well this is gonna work, but I hope it does. I'm actually gonna bring our navigation position. Let's go for anchor point X 0. Okay, I'm gonna bring this position 1.5. Okay, a little bit further back. Let's go for 1. Okay, I really hope we can do this here. Okay, so we have inactive and active, right? Our tab is auto size Y, and all this stuff scales, right? Auto size Y and size constraint XX, as you can see. So if I take the background off here, okay, for tab, we got a padding inside of inactive. Okay, if I copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs, and then we go for arcade, challenges, practice, and customize. Inside of multiplayer, if I bring this up, look at that, guys. That's nice. Wow. Okay, I think the only thing we gotta fix is like this thing right here. But that is pretty sweet. UI list layout. What is this? Oh, top? We go center? Nope. Okay. No. It ain't that. Okay, so how do we fix this thing? Because I want it pinned like at the top, you know what I mean? Do we set an anchor point? No, that's gonna mess it up. Okay, besides like, I don't know, the bottom here like scaling, I think this looks pretty good. I'm I'm not sure what it is. What if active had anchor point 0, 0.50? Okay. Oh, wait, guys, wait. Wait, so what if we had this, right? Well, you can see that works, right? Interesting. Okay, this might work. I think. I don't know for sure. I just don't. So okay. Let's go reapply all these stuff, all these active selections. Disable, so give me a second. Now let's go. Apply all this stuff. So, okay, arcade, delete, and then active here, visible off. Oh, that seems to be working. Alright, and then we have challenges, delete, challenges, and copy, turn this off. Lastly, we have link customize. Yeah. Paste. Alright, I think this works, guys. We got some padding, right? Very minimal, or none at all. Okay, we have adequate spacing. And, I mean, yeah, look at that. Let's take a look. Alright, guys, let's wrap this up by, let's hide our navigation background. Oops, I just had that so we can see it resize. But now you guys can see, I think this looks fantastic. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? This took way longer than I thought, but I knew this would be tricky. I really hope you guys got some value out of this long video. I don't know how long the final render is going to be, and if you want to support my work, check out the store. You can get design assets, so go ahead and check it out at gfxcomment.com. Subscribe if you want more design content, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.